Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Laura. I am doing a rewind plan with me for November 11th. It is currently November 30th, so I'm quite a bit behind, and I have a face mask on and I didn't realize how drying it was, and it's hard to talk. Also, I apologize for if you can hear my dishwasher. I'm not sure if you'll be able to hear it or not, but if you can, I'm sorry. This week I am going to use a kit from the Planner Society. I've had this for a very long time and I kind of jazzed it up a little bit. So on this box you can see these tiny little sparkles in the center of some of the flowers. Those are from Scribble Prints Co. On this box I put a box overlay, and you have to be careful because at least it used to be, I don't know if they still are, her box height is taller than an Erin Condren, so you kind of have to like there's an edge at the top and the bottom that are not covered by the overlay because of the height difference. And then this very, very patterned box has like a gold leaf design on it. This one I put a pumpkin, and then this plaid I put sweater weather because I think that's super cute. And then I put just a little bow on this is how I roll, and then I didn't do anything to those. So those are the full boxes, and then there is a little piece of deco sheet. There is the kind of checklist and header sheet, these clipboards, and then this is the washi quarter boxes and half boxes. And I have already put the washi down because I didn't know what I wanted to do exactly. So I will show you. Oh my goodness. The first two and the last two are the washi from the kit, and then the black washi with the gold foil in the center is actually the perforated black and gold header washi from Simply Gilded, so you can split this into headers, and I think I'm going to use them as the headers in the kit also. And then this washi from Simply Gilded, I think this is the sugar cookie from one of her holiday releases, so I put that over here on this page, and I think that's super cute. I probably won't use this washi again in this spread, I mean maybe, but I thought the colors, like this yellowish color, went well with the warm tones in the kit. So those are my washi strips. And then I also need to show you the previous week because I didn't film that. And this is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh my gosh. It looks so black. This is a kit from my newest addiction. I don't remember what it was called, and I also just realized I never put anything in this box. I'll have to look up something from my week and put it in there. But it is Harry Potter themed, and I also put a Stay Cozy just to kind of make it more like fall themed, I guess. But I love how this came out. I love this planning time with the pen. I don't know, it's just so pretty. The laptop with the parent-teacher conference sticker in there. And then this page has the double box with the castle, 2 washis from the kit and a Simply Gilded washi, other things from the kit. And then I used washi from the kit down here. You can see the foil on it. And then I also have the gold washi as strips here, but I've already journaled on this page, so I am not going to show you that. So let me pull out my pages and we will get started. I don't think I'm going to pull this page out because if I put anything on here, it will just be deco, and that's pretty simple, so I can do that later. I do have some foil items already pulled for my spread. So I have date covers from Rose Colored Days. These are like a very orangey color, and numbers from Scribble Prints Co. And then I have some bills that I wanted to mark. So I have bows from Clever Gal Crafts and bill dues, and then like a symbol to represent the bill. I have holiday, no school, skincare. I think the skincare was just a leftover from another spread because I don't actually use that in this spread. So let me start, I think, with date covers. Things are not sticking super well to this paper. Let me start with date covers just so I have kind of a foundation, and then I will probably put one of those Simply Gilded perforated things, perforated washi strips underneath so that it's like nice and clean, and then it has like a black. So I believe I had to cut that other strip, so I believe that was not like an actual header size. So let's try a fresh 1 or 2. Those are tearing very, very easily. Much easier than like my clear overlay tapes. I have a much harder time with those. The edge is not perfect, but it's pretty clean. Let's see. So you can see there's just a little bit of not perfectness at the edge, but like, who is perfect in their planner anyways, you know? So I can deal with it. I think it's actually really, really pretty, and a very like striking contrast with that deep black with the gold foil. It looks really nice. So I'm here for it. And you can use it as regular washi like I showed you. You just have to be careful like when you're pulling it, not to pull it apart. You just have to pull gently, but you can, you know, pull off a section from the roll and use it like regular washi, because she doesn't actually have that design in a non-perforated, at least I don't think. I've been keeping up with her releases, but y'all, there are a lot. Today is Small Business Saturday, and she had a giant Black Friday sale yesterday, and it was just so much. Like, Tamara and I always have to make a game plan of what are we buying and how much, and are there limits, and it's kind of nuts, but it's fun. These date headers are really fun. Like I said, they're from Rose Colored Days. The numbers are from Scribble Prints Co., but I just pulled those because they were tiny and they'd fit in a corner. But the orange color is really fun. I bought, I think it's called like a fall autumn set or something like that. And I wasn't sure because a lot of my kits come with date covers, so I wasn't like positive I was going to be using them, but it's really cute. All right, then I'm going to stick one up here just because the ways this section always looks a little lonely because there's no date cover up there. I kind of pulled the edge of that washi down. I think that's better. And there you can see the glimmer and gleam and the shine. So that was really easy to use. I'm really pleased with that washi. That was fun. Okay, let's see. I also have a white one, white with gold, so I might pull that in. I also have maple leaves in gold, like a matte gold, and then I have solid gold, and then I also pulled out some full box overlays, but I don't think I need those unless those 2 boxes that I didn't foil look weird. All right, you guys, I am back, and I think I have all of the stickers on that I needed. So I added Happy Mail, Pilates, meeting, FaceTime, the phone, meeting, Pilates, tidy up, meeting, planning time, a dishes sticker, Manny with a nail polish, date night, cuddle time, little munchkins, a heart with foil and a bow. Actually, it's a circle with a foil heart with a bow inside of it. And then I did laundry. I should check that. Nap Queen, Happy Mail, the little character. Yeah, I think this is the only spot that looks a little empty. So I think what I'm gonna do is get a little like divider situation. Do you know what I mean? Like some sort of divider on clear paper that will just look cute there. Oh, these are adorable. Yeah, what about this little guy? Perfect. This is from Scribble Prints Co. I think Tamara gave that to me. Okay, that looks finished to me. All right, so that is my spread for this week, and then my Harry Potter spread from last week. If you're in the My Notes Addiction group, you would have seen this on Facebook because I posted there, but I don't think it was filled out. Anyways, super cute. Stay tuned for more. I have more spreads that I need to catch up on because, like I said, it's the end of November and I need to do my November monthly rewind. So hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for sticking around and watching. Bye.